How does After Effects motion tracking make our look real? Imagine watching a video where a virtual object seems to sit perfectly on a moving surface or in a changing scene. That's the magic of motion tracking in Adobe After Effects. When you use motion tracking, the software analyzes the movement of objects or the camera itself in your footage. It then attaches digital elements so they move exactly as the real scene does. This precise synchronization tricks your eyes into believing the virtual and real worlds are one. To do this, After Effects examines each frame of your video, identifying specific points or features that stay visible throughout the shot. These could be edges, corners, or patterns that stand out. The software then calculates how these points change position, rotate, or scale as the scene moves. This process is called tracking. There are different types of tracking in After Effects. Point tracking follows a single feature, like a high-contrast spot on an object. Mask tracking follows the outline of an object, which is useful for isolating complex shapes. Three-dimensional camera tracking reconstructs the scene in 3 dimensions, allowing you to place virtual objects that match the scene's perspective and movement. Once you have the tracking data, you attach digital elements such as text, logos, or 3D models to the tracked points or camera. Because these elements inherit the movement data, they respond naturally to the scene's motion. For example, if the camera moves left, the virtual object moves left too, maintaining its position relative to the scene. This makes the augmented reality look seamless and convincing. In practical terms, you start by choosing a clear, high-contrast feature to track. You adjust the tracking region to focus only on the object you want to follow. Then, you analyze the footage frame by frame, ensuring the tracker sticks to the right points. After that, you apply the tracking data to your digital layer, fine-tuning its position or rotation if needed. When working with scenes that involve complex camera movements, you use 3-dimensional camera tracking to keep the virtual elements aligned with the perspective shifts. Mastering these motion tracking techniques in Adobe After Effects allows you to create augmented reality effects, where digital objects respond naturally to real-world movements. This makes your AR look authentic and professional. Whether you're adding virtual objects to a live-action scene or creating motion graphics that interact with the environment, understanding motion tracking is key. It's a powerful tool that helps bridge the gap between digital and real worlds, making your projects more believable and engaging.